Foam rolling is a great way to loosen tight muscles before your workout or on a rest and recovery day. This type of exercise is called myofascial release. It works just like a massage. By applying pressure over tight muscles, we encourage them to relax. This can relieve pain and tension while also preparing your muscles for a workout. You can use a foam roller, medicine ball, or another similar device to apply pressure to your muscles. In this video, I'll show you how to use a foam roller to loosen up your quadriceps. Begin on the floor on all fours and place the foam roller horizontal to your hips. Now lay down in a plank position on your elbows and rest the top of one thigh on the foam roller, just under the hips. Take your other knee out to the side on the ground for support. Use your arms to crawl forward and move the foam roller down your leg towards your knee, stopping just before the foam roller reaches your knee. Then reverse the direction and crawl backward to bring the foam roller up back towards your hips. Continue moving slowly over the foam roller back and forth for 20 to 60 seconds. Feel free to stop over any particularly tight points to encourage the muscles to loosen there. Rest for about 30 to 60 seconds and then repeat for several rounds. Switch to the other side and repeat. If your core strength and shoulder strength allow, you can also roll the foam roller underneath both legs at the same time. Make sure to avoid sinking into your shoulders and press actively away from the floor to keep your posture safe here.